Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It's been a while since you've seen my face. For the past 2 or 3 months, I've only been posting like maybe one video a month. And it has been quite the hectic around here. It's been so hectic. It's been so busy. I've got my husband and I have a full household here. Just, tons of jiu-jitsu, homeschooling, just working, and just really hectic. Just working around the household. Don't write on that. Don't write on that. Don't write on that, Corbin. No. That's on chalk outside. We're supposed to give you something. Okay. So I have to edit all of that out. So I apologize. I've been so busy, so hectic. And it's just been like so much has been going on, so much projects I've been doing. And I will tell you that one of the things, this video is going to be more or less like, on my ongoing, some of my projects I've been working on. And if you actually, I'll give you some sneak peek previews of like paintings that I'll be making into a course, which will be on my website for you to purchase, so that sort of thing. I'm just trying to get the trajectory going here. And so I wanted to actually show you what's been going on. With that, give you a sneak preview on what's to come, what will be coming up on my website to talk about. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and click the notification button so when my new videos do come out, you'll be able to notice right away. I have a special little visitor here with me, my youngest, 7. Her name is 7. She is 13 months old, and she is the sweetest ever. She's with me today. And then I have another little visitor. He's kind of peeking his head. This is my 3-year-old, Johan. It is what it is. I am a stay-at-home mom. There goes my kids. So busy. And NFTs. Holy Christmas, guys. So I've been working on NFTs. I'm trying to get some projects out the door for that. And I've made one NFT so far, and I posted it on mintable.com, starting a store for that. I'm going to talk to you guys more about that. And I'm just going to give you like sneak peeks what's going on with that. If you are interested, if you are an NFT art buyer, by all means, the link is down below. You'll be able to see and go right to it. To see my first NFT, Merlin and the Tip of His Staff. That is my first one out the gate. There are going to be a few more that I'm going to be putting on my NFT store on Mintable. That's going to be coming out. So I've decided that I'm probably going to be doing for on my mintable.com. That's going to be primarily for just original fantasy digital art work that's going on that in that store. And for excuse me, I think I'm actually going to open up another NFT store on OpenSea, which I'm going to be exclusively showing only my traditional artworks, drawings, paintings. It will be a cohesive body of work for both Mintable and for OpenSea. So that way, it's going to be far much better as for that buying exclusivity, scarcity. Niche is always good. I really want to keep it down to a cohesive body of work with a very niche quality. I'm just throwing it to the wall, like, it's not so much like for Instagram and Tumblr places, you can actually do that. Whereas I just really want to keep the very NFT stores on a scarcity niche, high quality works. So there you go with that NFT. Cuter, holy Christmas. I'm gonna show it over here to you. This computer here, yeah. My Apple computer is 2011, mid version 2011, blanked out on me this past week, and I knew it was going. It is officially in non-existing. It's officially deceased. It's done its bye-byes. It's not turning on, and I knew that it was coming up. And thank goodness, my husband, my dearest, beautiful, amazing, badass husband, he asked me, "Hey, what do you want for Christmas?" Damn it! And so I looked at the tablets that they had, the drawing tablets that they had, and my goodness, Lord. I was looking at the X Pen pens, the XP pen tablets versus the Wacom's, which is just like really outside of my budget. Because you have a $300 budget. What do you want? And so I'm like, okay, I don't know. I really need to have a tablet, a drawing tablet, because my iPad that I'm actually using now to record for this video, which is a 10.9 2017, yes, 7th generation, my Affinity Painter apps Pro, and also like for my videos and things like that. It is actually the size is good. The thing is, but it's not like a really nice large size. I mean, I'm a large painter, as you can see. The paintings that I have behind me. This one's actually a little smaller one, but like the paintings that I usually do paint on, 6 feet by 5 feet. Now I have a large size scale painter for 16, 17 inch, and it was $350. And I'm like, it's not what I really want. I really wanted the 22 inch, and so I said, look, my husband's like, you know what? Mark my words. This desktop that I just showed you, that just went out, it's going to go out, and it's just very, very slow. It's just checking. And by his words, yes, absolutely, it went out just this past week, last run. And so he had already, Lori's husband just kind of went and bought me like my Mac. But my husband says the specs on it are pretty impressive. It's amazing. It's incredible. So I most likely will be opening, and like I said, am I waiting for Christmas, baby, or am I what am I doing here? Like, open the damn thing now. I'm like, but I don't want to bring my Christmas present. No, open it now. So and I'm thinking like, yeah, I'll open it now, and then I'll ask for something else. Now, guys, let's get into some drawing. I really want to show you some sneak peeks of what I've been working on traditional painting wise, and just I'll do some quick speed paintings with you. What I've been doing, some of the digital paintings I've been doing with you, doing while I've been gone. And so let's get on with the show. So, guys, this particular little video is from a preview. This is a preview from an upcoming painting class that will be available on my website, Zenkiea.com. If you haven't not known by now, I just opened up a new Zenkiea Art Academy on my website, which will classes that are available will be all different types of classes, including digital media art classes for painting and drawing, and traditional for painting and drawing. And this is going to be an upcoming full course on how to do, how to paint particular types of skin complexion, and particularly people of color. And I am really quite excited about this class, and it will be up and running as soon as possible. And just be on the lookout for the next month or maybe a little bit over a month or two less, because I really want to be able just to put it together in a nice little package for you. And already there is one class that's already up, one course that is up for Procreate, drawing us how to paint like a master in Procreate, your first portrait in Procreate, and a self-portrait actually. It's a self-portrait class which is available. So go check that out on the link below. All right, let's go on.